we are going to email links. Now, in order for you to create a link that is able to start an email client or an email program you have and addresses an email to a specified email address, you still have to use the anchor element because we are still doing links. But in the attributes, the hyperlink reference, the href, has to start with a mail to, followed by the email address you want the email to be sent to. So for instance, let's go to our code editor, and then assuming I want to send an email, or I want you to send an email to me, for instance. So I still start an anchor, which is an A, and then I close it. Inside the starting tag, I bring my href. After bringing my href, I start with a mail to. Who am I mailing to? So I'll bring a colon. I say I'm mailing to sewunigroup@gmail.com. What is the link test? I can say email Sewuni or email me, email Sewuni, and then I can even say talk to us, send us feedback. Let me just write send feedback as my link test, and then I save, Control S. Let me refresh the page so you can see send feedback. It's on the same line with this. I'm not too comfortable. So this is what we spoke about. White space collapsing. Even though I've left a lot of lines, it's still giving me one space. So I can simply bring a paragraph here to start it on a different line. So I bring a P. Let me just take it off from this place and then bring it to the end. You can also click on the end key on your keyboard. So I bring a P and I'm done. So Control S, save. Let me refresh the page once more. Okay, so now I find my new link below the first link. So send feedback. The moment I click on send feedback, it is going to open. You see, it has launched my Outlook. Straightforward by just clicking on the link. It has quickly opened my Outlook and it's telling me to do my setup. I've not set up my Outlook. So assuming I've set up either my Google account or my Outlook account, any of the accounts I have, it will just open, and then there's no need for the person to again type the recipient address to, because the recipient address is actually what you have clicked. What the person will now do is to enter, let's say, the subject and then the body of the email or the main email. If there's any attachment, the person adds. Okay, this link mail to is able to trigger or is able to open an email program directly straightforward from the web page. So this is how to do the email link.